Hi, this is Mark, and I'm here today with Dagmar. We're from Remax at our newest listing at 28 Holimont Court.
This home is located in a beautiful private court on West Hamilton Mountain.
Let's take a closer look at what this home has to offer.
Thank you for visiting us at 28 Holimont Court here in Hamilton Mountain.
If you'd like to book an appointment to view this property, or if you have questions about buying or selling your home in Hamilton,
I'm Dagmar. You can reach me at 905-988-7288.
and I'm Mark, 905-512-1846.